Looking to save time, clear the clutter, or just make cooking more fun? Your kitchen's about to get a serious upgrade. These Amazon gadgets slice, seal, stir, and save space, no effort required. Simple, smart, and kind of genius. Let's check them out. Homemade noodles with zero elbow grease? Yes, please. This cordless pasta maker takes care of everything, from shaping to pressing at the push of a button. Just pick your mold, drop in the dough, and let it roll out thick, thin, or wide noodles just the way you like. No mess, no fuss, no sore arms. It charges via USB-C in about 4 hours and delivers up to 100 bowls on a single charge. And since it's portable, you can take pasta night anywhere, from the kitchen counter to the backyard table. Why wait for delivery when you can spin up your own pizza in minutes? This countertop rotating oven does the job fast. Just pop in your pizza and watch it slowly turn as it cooks to perfection. Dual heating elements on top and bottom mean a crispy crust and gooey cheese every time, and you can choose which side heats depending on what you're baking. It's ready in about 10 to 15 minutes and uses up to 60% less energy than a regular oven. When you're done, the nonstick tray lifts right out for easy cleaning and compact storage. Slice your fruit faster than a ninja in action. These handheld dividers make cutting melons a breeze. With 12 sharp blades, you can effortlessly slice a watermelon or any fruit into perfectly uniform pieces, ideal for home, office, or outdoor picnics. Just trim the ends, set your fruit in place, and let this clever slicer do the heavy lifting. It's compact, travel-friendly, and your new secret weapon for speedy, mess-free fruit prep. This isn't just a sink, it's your entire kitchen workstation in one sleek setup. A digital display shows the exact water temperature in real time. No batteries needed, so you're always washing at just the right temp. The waterfall faucet lights up and rotates with multiple spray modes for serious cleaning power. It comes fully loaded with a drain basket, metal tray, wooden cutting board, and even a built-in glass rinser and soap dispenser. With a nano-coated surface that resists stains and scratches and an offset drain that opens up storage space underneath, this sink does way more than just hold water. Want to make your veggies look like they belong in a fancy restaurant? This handheld spiralizer turns almost anything into beautiful twirly spirals that instantly level up your salads and sides. Potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, you name it. It's manual, so no plugs or batteries. Just twist and go. Small enough to tuck in a drawer, but mighty enough to make every plate look like a chef's masterpiece. Keep everyone happy at the table with this rotating turntable that makes passing dishes a thing of the past. Whether it's salad, potatoes, or a plate of appetizers, just spin and grab. No reaching, no asking. Each pad is heat-resistant and non-slip, so hot dishes stay put. Need more space? You can add extra pads to fit more food. It's a smart, share-friendly way to serve at dinners, parties, or any gathering. Tired hands from chopping? Not anymore. This 4-in-1 portable electric chopper slices garlic, chili, ginger, all at the push of a button. No more switching bowls or making a mess. Just slice straight into the pot and get cooking in seconds. It's wireless, compact, and surprisingly powerful, handling everything from veggies to soft meats with ease. Need to peel, chop, or beat cream? It's all built in. Prep time gets cut way down so you can focus on the fun part, actually enjoying your meal. Chop like a pro without the risk. This safe mandolin slicer hides its sharp blades inside, so no gloves, no cuts, just smooth, effortless slicing. With adjustable thickness from paper thin to hearty chunks, you can julienne, dice, matchstick, or slice in seconds without ever switching blades. Perfect for potatoes, onions, cucumbers. You name it. It folds down small, cleans up fast, and even comes with a handy brush to sweep away food bits. Whether you cook every day or just meal prep on weekends, this slicer saves you serious time and stress. Just slap it and chop it. Prep doesn't get easier than this. This manual chopper uses a simple push-down handle and a rotating blade to give you 6 quick cuts with every press. Want big chunks? 1 or 2 slaps. Need it fine? Keep going. It's perfect for onions, nuts, herbs, fruits, and even cookies for dessert toppings. Everything lands neatly in the built-in container, so there's no mess on your counter. It's fast, fun, and takes almost no effort. Just slap and you're done. Say goodbye to sticky garlic fingers. This silicone garlic peeler does the dirty work for you. Just drop in a clove, give it a quick roll, and out comes perfectly peeled garlic while the skins stay trapped inside. No knives, no mess, and best of all, no lingering garlic smell on your hands. Its clever shape keeps everything contained, and when you're done, just rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. Simple, fast, and oddly satisfying. Seasoning bags spilling everywhere? Not anymore. Just cut, clip, and seal. This clever system keeps your spices fresh and your kitchen mess-free. Each clip comes with a sealing cap that locks in freshness and includes a built-in dispenser. Different cap designs let you shake or pour exactly what you need. The best part? The clips stack neatly onto a rotating wall-mounted rack, no drilling required. It turns your cluttered spice drawer into a sleek, organized display you can spin through in seconds. Boilovers? Not on your watch. This silicone spill stopper keeps bubbling pots under control while doubling as a steamer or heat-preserving lid. It fits everything from pans to plates to mugs, thanks to multiple sizes, and it handles serious heat, up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. Use it on the stove, in the oven, or even in the microwave. When you're done, toss it in the dishwasher or rinse it off and let it dry. It's the kind of kitchen multitasker you didn't know you needed, but won't want to cook without. Could cooking get any lazier? This automatic pan stirrer says yes. Just drop it in your soup, sauce, or gravy, press a button, and walk away. It stirs everything for you. It rotates on its own, moves back and forth, and even has LED lights to show the speed. 3 stirring modes let you pick the pace, and the heat-resistant nylon legs won't scratch your pots. Cordless, battery-powered, and totally hands-free. It's like having a mini sous chef that never complains. On the road but still want your tea just right? This foldable electric kettle makes it happen fast. It boils up to 600 milliliters of water in just 4 to 6 minutes, then folds down flat to fit easily in your bag. Made with food-grade silicone and a stainless steel base, it's BPA-free, safe, and heat-resistant. The smart auto shutoff keeps things safe, and you can even reheat with a simple switch. Whether you're in a hotel, at the office, or out on an adventure, hot coffee or tea is always just minutes away. Dry dishes, declutter, and save counter space, all in one move. This over-the-sink dish rack holds everything: plates, bowls, cutting boards, utensils, even wine glasses. It adjusts to fit sinks from 31.5 to 39.5 inches wide, making it a flexible fit for most kitchens. Made from rust-proof stainless steel, it drains water directly into the sink, keeping your counter dry and clean. With built-in holders, hooks, and compartments, it's a true all-in-one organizer. Easy to assemble, simple to wipe clean. Your kitchen just got a whole lot smarter. Need extra kitchen space but don't want the hassle? This foldable metal shelf sets up in minutes. No tools, no stress. Just unfold, lock it into place, and you've got instant storage for your kitchen, pantry, garage, or anywhere else you need it. Made from sturdy, reinforced metal with a sleek, minimalist design, it holds heavier items without wobbling. And when you're done, fold it flat and tuck it away. It's the perfect mix of strong, stylish, and seriously convenient. One tool, 3 jobs, 0 clutter. This foldable cutting board transforms into a colander or dish tub in seconds. Chop, rinse, and drain all in the same spot. Made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, it's safe, sturdy, and holds over 500 ounces when fully expanded. The built-in plug makes draining a breeze, and the non-slip base keeps it steady, even on smooth surfaces. Need to save space? It folds flat and tucks away easily. Tired of eggs rolling around in the fridge? This auto-rolling organizer keeps them neat, visible, and easy to grab. Its tiered design holds more eggs while saving space, and each time you take one, the next rolls gently into place. No tipping, no mess. You can load your eggs by expiration date, so the oldest always rolls forward first, meaning no more guessing if you're using the freshest ones.